today we're gonna get uncomfortably close to my face because I'm gonna do my three main costumes I have in succession tutorials, or makeup tutorials rather. They're really simple. I haven't done anything crazy yet, or like FX or any of that cool stuff yet. I don't know how so far, but so we'll just start out with what you need for Prompto. We're gonna start with Prompto, if you can't tell, and I'll put the wig on afterwards because it covers half the face. But so what I start out with is a primer. I use Julep's Blank Canvas mattifying face primer, so like fills in the pores, kind of makes it smoother, kind of you guys know what I'm talking about. It just kind of blurs any imperfections. That's what I was looking for. And then so what I start with after that, that's the base for all of them, and I'll reiterate that later, but that's the base. So then I take my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. There we go. And this is in blonde. Yep, this is in the color blonde. Oh, yeah, I do use it for him. I really messed up, so I've never done this on a camera. Oh, Lord, I can't see what I'm doing at all. That's not my eyebrow, guys. And another thing that's very important to have is makeup remover wipes. When you start drawing your eyebrow where it is not at all. Let me grab a mirror real quick. I wasn't too far off. Alright, so I have my mirror. We will try this again. And I'm not going to be putting too much on, just enough so you can see my eyebrows. Boop, 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 boop. There. And I got this, I think they have it at Target, but I got this one at Ulta. This eyebrow tint. And the mattifying primer is Julep, and that is online. I got it out of one of their like subscription box thingies. So now I'm just gonna brush it through. I don't know why it's focusing so badly today, you guys. I'm sorry. There we go. It's trying to focus on the brush. It just kind of like smooths it out because it likes to cling. Not necessarily clumpy, and it's probably just my eyebrows. Did I go too much there? Yeah, I did. If you put too little on, you can always add more. Doesn't help that the lighting in here is terrible. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. Haha. I didn't stab myself. I don't know what you're talking about. And one more time. Boop, boop, boop. Alright. And then next, I put on another Julep product. It's called Iconic Brow. It's a setting gel just to keep them in place. And it's a clear gel. It just kind of keeps them from moving around on you. Because I have bushy eyebrows, so they just kind of do whatever the hell they want. takes 2 seconds. Like I said, Prompto's is really easy. So next, now the eyebrows. Let's see. Like I said, uncomfortably close. Yeah, right there. That's what I want. I'm gonna take some Tarte Amazonian clay blush. I got it as like the Sephora birthday gift last year. Only blush I have. I don't use it regularly. Ew, wow, I'm sorry. Babe, come on. You can do it. I believe in you. Don't make me take autofocus off. Come on. Okay. So I'm just going to use my finger and then kind of do like a triangle and then go like that. Because he just has like little rosy cheeks kind of right here. And the other side. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh. You guys probably can't see anything. Oh. Oh. Alright. I already have freckles, so I just kind of use brown eyeliner. I got this in like a pack a few years ago from like Wish or something. So, and like kind of just like that. You can't really oh, that's too much. Use There we go. Ooh. Then I'll get the wig on and we'll be good to go. Okay. See? And it's done. It doesn't really look like I did a whole lot unless you get real close. Real close. And then you still can't tell. But it's just enough makeup to kind of give it something. It also helps, like, I have similar skin tone and, you know, no eyebrows, no eyelashes, all that good stuff. So I don't have to do too much. But, yeah, that is Prompto. Oh, that felt so good, you guys. You don't even know. Alright. Love you guys. You know what to do. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright. Bye, I love you.